What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be an all-day deep cleaning video that is definitely going to give you some cleaning motivation. I decided it was finally time to tackle our family room. This is the room that we predominantly are in most of the time if we're not in the kitchen, and as you can see, it is a huge mess. I finally got to a point where I just couldn't ignore the clutter and the mess anymore, so I decided to spend the entire day deep cleaning this room. I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning video and it gives you the motivation to get stuff done around your house. If you enjoy, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, my name is Nia and I create new videos every single week on cleaning, lifestyle, motherhood. So please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. And for those of you guys who are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back.
I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's
So besides random shoes and left out blankets and things like that, one of the biggest things that clutters up this room is all of Rylee's toys. I'm pretty sure anybody who has kids can so relate. So that's basically what I'm doing, is literally going through all of her stuff. And then I'm gonna go in and clean off her table. I bought her some stamps for Easter and she literally went ham on this table. So that's basically what I'm going to do. Also, and by the way, I am watching the 90 Day Fiance. I actually used to watch this way back in the day, but it is so addicting because it's so crazy how these people don't really know their wives or husbands, and they marry them after only 90 days. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys also like watching this show as well. And if you guys haven't heard of it, you so need to watch it. It's on TLC.
it all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do, I'm so in love with you. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you.
So now it's time to pick up this mat that we have going across the whole entire room, and to be honest, it's definitely starting to be constantly traction in and out. So I'm just gonna pick it up, put it back in the plastic bin, it's right in front of the door, and now that it's the winter time or something like that.
To let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave you. Sabotage. You're a million. Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds.
It is so embarrassing seeing how dirty the floor is, but I'm finally getting around to really cleaning it, moving everything around. But yeah, this is real life, guys. This is lack of cleaning or deep cleaning a room, especially when we're in it non-stop. But hey, like I said, it's life.
what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension.
Okay, so now on to moving the couch around and cleaning behind it. Guys, you will not even believe the stuff that I found behind there. But yeah, we don't really move it around too often just because it is a huge sectional. But yeah, this is only a glimpse of what you will see behind there. But things get stuck behind here all the time, so I do like to pull it out from time to time and really give it a good clean. Random question, are you guys guilty of throwing away your kids' toys when they're not around because they either make too much noise or they make too much of a mess? Please let me know down in the comment section that I am not the only one.
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
Cleaning is no joke. It is just like working out. Give this video a thumbs up if you agree.
Around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. For the thrill of it, for the thrill of it. For the thrill of it, for the thrill of it.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move.
I do also want to mention that after washing the floor, I did wait for that to dry before I went in with the product to shine the floor. But for the sake of the video, nobody wants to see me just sitting around waiting for the floor to dry.
Don't let me go when I come real close. I don't want to get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably.
So while the middle of the floor was drying, I went through all of Rylee's toys and picked out anything that she doesn't play with anymore, anything that was broken, or any of her toys that were more for like newborn stuff, so I can store those away. So that's what I'm doing, just trying to organize this bin because it's just way out of control.
Take it easy, maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
So I was thinking about moving the coffee table over in this corner, but it just didn't work the way I thought it would in my head. So I put it back in the other corner like we usually keep it, and then I just started putting all of her stuff back.
And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be.
Okay, so you guys might be wondering why I'm putting her puzzle pieces in plastic bags, but after meeting with early intervention, they said to help her with her development on like commands and saying what she wants, to put her puzzle pieces and things like that into bags. So basically she has to ask for it, and then when we play around with it, I give her one piece at a time and repeat it 3 times so that she can start to learn and develop her words.
Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. just wanna hear you say